Hi everyone, I'm Mark Johnson, and today I'm up in Winter, Wisconsin, at a log home that I built 16 years ago, and actually was being used as a granary when I found it by accident one day when I stopped in at a farmer's place to ask for directions to somewhere. Um, this is, I believe it's about 18 feet wide, 26 feet long, and it's a story and a half structure, and it's really been um, kept up and maintained well. The the stain product here is by Sashco. They have a Capture and Cascade, um, two different finishes that are perfect for this kind of a building because you put on the pigmented base coat on the logs first, and then you put a clear coat over the top of that. And then as time goes by, the clear coat gets replaced, and that avoids you having to go in here and stain it with the colored product and keep it off of the chinking. So anyway, it's a um, great product to use for these old buildings. Um, we've got a screen porch on the back here, and dormers, front and back, helps to make the upstairs a lot more livable. And here I want to show you this neat door and um, and a stairway that's called an alternating tread stairway, or sometimes called the Jefferson Stairs. You can see that right here. The floorboards on the loft are actually from an old barn. They're tongue and groove 2x8s, and we've got a ridge beam up there. I think we built the roof out of 2x12 timbers, and the floor here is acid stained concrete with radiant heat in the floor. So anyhow, we've got a 8x8 timbers for the loft support and for the center post here. So anyway, it's really a pleasure to see how well the owner has maintained the home in terms of its exterior finish and so forth, because these old logs need it. Anyhow, that's it for our visit today. We're gonna. Oh, the reason we're here is to create an 8x10 storage building for him, which we're going to do out of all reclaimed lumber, and bring it up here and set it on a slab that he's got outside. So hopefully we'll do that before the end of the year. We'll do another video visit at that time.